going to the bank first. The next day I ain't finished my video, so I'm gonna finish it today. Probably make some runs today. I'm gonna be back when we hit to the bank, so stay tuned. Okay guys, so I'm at home. It's been a lot of consequences trying to do what I had to do today, but cancel plans with the nails, but it's still gonna be in my dumb nails. So yeah, and we going to go pick up my brother in a few minutes. So I'm gonna do a little couple talking since, you know, since, yeah, everything's canceled. But I will be doing a day of my life, couple weeks coming up. I'm doing a family reunion, and I'm doing a fair, everything. It's gonna be a whole lot of videos, thumbnails and all types of stuff I'm finna start doing. I'm finna make a lot of YouTube videos, so yeah. I'm so pretty. My boyfriend, he on the phone, but he don't need no on the phone. But y'all, it been a good day. My hair appointment turned out so good, and today I'm gonna be classic. Just a normal day, just a simple day, just a day that I thought was gonna go out plan for me to just finish the video. But I'm gonna just do a couple of rounds. I'm gonna let y'all come with me to go pick up my little brother. Let y'all come with me to come back home. Do something. I'm not gonna put on no clothes because I'm not going nowhere. So y'all know I just be bored and I just be wanting to do some videos. I went to go pick up my stuff for no reason. Just crazy. Just so crazy when you try to do something and you don't go out playing how you want it. But I'm gonna go get my nails done soon. So I'm gonna let y'all come and get my nails done. I let y'all come with me to my hair appointment, but it wasn't a long video because I didn't expect to just record one video, and I should just let her, you know, put the phone down and do my hair. But when my next hair appointment, it's gonna be a whole little video, right? I'm a beginner with this YouTube crap, so I just want y'all to just, you know, yeah. So like, subscribe, comment down below. We're gonna be back when I be in the car. Y'all, finna go get my brother. So y'all, I had to light the door, y'all, so give me a minute. Ooh, y'all not see that titty? I had to get, so I had, y'all know, because I'm in the car now. I'm getting in the car now. We go pick up Katie. Doing a YouTube video. Because I was saying, like, I didn't get everything planned like you're supposed to got planned today. So I was just doing some simple, just vlogging, going to get Katie. So we here at his school, y'all. We here at the school.
We gonna give us some somewhere. We gonna sit
yeah, guys. So we stopped. We over here about this way, y'all. We over here by Family Dollar, CVS and stuff. So I'm out my shirt.
I gotta get another pen pal coat.
Wait.
I don't know what I did the other coat.
So yeah, I'm a fail. We at CVS now. I need to take this off my thing. I want to buy some so bad. I'm trying to see. They best is so small. CVS. Making some runs. My mom's going to get some. They got cameras out. You see me and my cookies. Guys, so we leaving CVS. Where we going?
That's what I put there.
Where we going, Ma? Where we going? Okay, come on. Wait. Oh, so I'm going to the car. Then we go get some ice cream. So yeah, we be back. I had to do some. I'm finna go get some ice cream. Hold on. Mom, wait. All right, come on. Run. Go ahead. Okay, so y'all, we at Family Dollar finna get some ice cream. My video got interrupted, so let's keep going. So we over here about to get some ice cream at Family Dollar. Like I told y'all, I want y'all to like, subscribe, comment down below. Y'all know. So I don't know where they go, but we shouldn't here. I'm at the hood store right now, but I don't know I don't know nothing about this Family Dollar, but it's hard to find. So I found my mom. They right here. You know what I'm saying? They right here. Yeah. So we had got our ice cream. I got cookies and cream. My mama got vanilla, and my brother got cookies and cream. So yeah, we finna go to the restaurant. Yeah, whatever. And yeah, y'all know. Finna get the ice cream, go back home. I'll catch y'all. Y'all catch me in the car. We at the hood store, y'all know. Walking around here. I just got me some ice cream. I'm just walking around because like I don't want to do no funny hood stuff. Nope. So it's a lot of different things here. Like I said, like, comment, subscribe, and then catch me in the car. So we back in the car. We got our ice cream. Yo, y'all know what's going on. Let me put my phone on charge too. It's going dead. It's going dead. My bad. But y'all, we finna ride back home. I'm gonna let y'all know when I got my ice cream. So like, stay tuned. So we at home. Yeah. So yeah, I'm back home. Finna get ready, you know, eat my ice cream. So like I said, it's a short video. I told y'all I didn't do a little video of my hair, but I'm gonna do a video. Y'all gonna see my hair for real when I go somewhere. So like, subscribe, comment down below, and don't forget to hit the bell of all notifications. Thank you.